Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 138 of Building the Delorean. The numbers are getting all the bigger. We're doing another duplicate episode again. We're building a sleeper. So we've got to build the track, put it together, and then attach it, like we did last time, onto the continuation. Then we keep those for side for later. I'm going to attach them onto the other side like I did before, because there's no point in having them half attached and floating around loose. So we'll get them attached as well. Continuing our look at the future history of Zemeckis. Welcome to Marwen, 2018 film. Again, not one that I'm familiar with at all. But there we go. And Arthur Schmidt, the co-editor of Back to the Future. So next time, yes, we're doing another continuation. We get another rail, which we shall put in place using the 4 brackets. You're probably using 2 of the brackets, I think, if I can calculate how it's going to work properly at the moment. So that is that. Let's get this sleeper done. Yes, so here we have it, exactly the same as previous ones. I've done 2 of them now, and I have the same things. That goes in there like that, and is held in place with 2 screws. One there and one next to it. Get them both in and then tighten them up. The best way of doing these, although it can't really not line up, but it's always safer to make sure it's going to be okay. And then get them tightened up. So you're good to go with that. Like so. The same on the other end. I'm going to have to do it live because I've got to do more stuff afterwards, so I might as well just do that. It's not like these episodes are going to be very, very long and boring. They'll just be short and boring. There we go. While I'm doing this, I shall remind you that I have videos coming out every day. So as well as these Delorean builds while they last, in the morning I have another part work coming out every morning, even weekends. And at the moment I'm actually getting some coming out in the afternoon as well, so stick around for those. There we go, that's that. Then we have the part from last time, and the brackets that I already attached, half from last time. This is going to go on there with those. How many screws have we actually got? We've got 3. So yeah, they don't actually give us enough to do all of that. Well, they do, because I've got some from before. Let's find another EP screw, shall we? There we go, EP. So now I've got 4 of those and an empty packet, so I don't want to put that with the other ones. Yeah, so I'm going to put that on there like so, using 2 of these screws. That one there. Ooh, if I can keep the screw on the screwdriver pointed in the right direction. That one in there. And the same at the top. And what I'm going to do then is continue the build along with these on there, ready for the next sleeper. I would say next time, but it's not quite next time. It's the time after next, because the next time we're going to have another rail to attach. So yeah, that one in there as well. And that is that. After I've got these tightened up, we're continuing the track. So thank you very much for watching. Stick around for more. I'll see you soon. Stay safe. Bye bye for now.